I am going to my very first taping of the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills reunion. And a lot of you have asked me, what do I use on my face and my hair? And one of the things that I do use is this cool beauty tool, and it's this uplifting massage roller from Nurse Jamie, which is amazing. And with all these women, I have to do something, I know. So I am really working on my skin before I go to set, and I love this. And I'm not good at this whole social media thing. They're much better than I am at posting all this stuff, but I at least wanted to let you know what I was doing before I go to the reunion, which I'm very excited about. I want my skin to look good, but I love this tool.